Welcome to MyHRGoal.com, the community dedicated to the specialists of the HR world. Let's look at the principal functions of the platform and how they can be used. The most important instrument at your disposal is constituted by the Q&A. With the Q&A, you can solve your professional problems in a fast and simple way, asking for advice to your network of HR colleagues. This is how you do it. Click on Create Q&A. Write in the subject space your request and add the information that can help the other users to understand better your question. Then select the language and the date on which you want to conclude the Q&A. Apart from text messages, you can choose other methods of response. You can organize a meeting, a private phone call, a conference call, or a web conference. For example, if you need to organize a meeting to resolve your Q&A, you just need to decide the day, the hour, and the place where the meeting will be held. Clicking on Add, confirmation of the appointment created will appear. At this point, you have to decide to whom you should send your request, choosing contacts according to their role, or inserting specific users. Now, your Q&A is ready. The Q&A created and those proposed by other users are listed in the All Q&A section. You can find the Q&A that interests you utilizing the research area and thematic filters, or by using the map function. At any moment, you can increase your HR network, inviting new contacts, by mail, LinkedIn, or through Outlook. On MyHRGoal.com, you can also share documents with other users. Finding documents you need is very simple. Just insert keywords in the search area, or else select the filters from the menu. You too can upload documents, also video and audio formats. To organize at best your appointments, enter into the Agenda section. Here you will find all the confirmed Q&A events to participate in that can be visualized on the map or the calendar. The MyHRGoal.com revolution has started. Join the community.